Ndipo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nil nono wakwe zone.
Yeah.
Ndibanye, I'm Ekelonu. If I'm with ChukwunonsoCaptures. Hey, what's good, my people? How's it going? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakon, aka the digital makeup artist. And this is another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so shout out to Brittany. Right? So, shout out to Brittany for sending in her name for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So I asked Brittany to describe herself and let me know what are some recurring themes in her life. And she said that one recurring theme is that she's always been able to dodge any bullets or escape any types of situations that other people might not have been able to escape, or just dodge any bullets other people might not have been able to dodge. So I'm gonna give her the name Ogonna. Come on, say it with me. Ogonna. Good. All right, so you ready to translate that name together? Okay, cool. So Ogo means favor, right? Favor, grace, or just kind of like anything that like protects you. You have favor, you know what I'm saying? And Na, the direct translation of Na means father, but in this context it means basically God the Father, you know what I'm saying? So Ogonna means God's favor, God's grace. And the reason why I gave her the name Ogonna is because she says she's been able to get out of any type of just detrimental situations and just dodge any bullets and just escape any type of like anything bad that might have happened to her because she has God's favor in her life. So that's the reason why I gave her the name Ogonna. So Ogonna's names give them the power to be refined, multifaceted, and also able to think really quickly on their feet, right? So tag and share this video with all the Ogonnas that you know. So what do you think? Is that a fitting name for her? Did I get the translation right? Let me know in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. Please like this video. All the likes go a really long way, so thank you. Please hit the share button, like I said, to share with all the Ogonnas that you know. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I post a new video. And continue to support this YouTube channel because I really appreciate it. So if you would like your very own Igbo name, please hit me up on my Instagram. The link is in the description below. And I'll send you an email and get to know some of your personality traits and stuff like that. And I'll give you your very own Igbo name. Please make sure that you hit the bell button after you subscribe so that you can get a notification and be the first to know whenever I make a video for your Igbo name. If you already have an Igbo name, let me know as well too, and I can feature your Igbo name on the next Igbo Name of the Day. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate all of your free support of this YouTube channel. Like, comment, subscribe, share with all your friends. I will see you in the next video. Take care.